What if I told you we could actually look back in time, billions of years back, to see the birth of the first galaxies? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what the James Webb Space Telescope is doing. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just another fancy space gadget. But trust me, it's so much more than that. This isn't just a telescope, it's humanity's greatest leap into the unknown. I'm not exaggerating here. This thing is a game changer for everything we know about the universe. Don't believe me? No, that's okay. Stick with me for a few minutes and I promise, and I'm sure I can change your mind if you don't believe James Webb Space Telescope is one of the most significant inventions in human history. I'll take you through its fascinating journey, how it works, its jaw-dropping discoveries, and why scientists are calling it revolutionary. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's get started. So, where did this journey begin? Believe it or not, the idea for the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST as the cool kids call it, was born all the way back in the late 1980s. Back then, scientists had a bold vision to build a telescope so powerful it could peer into the universe's past and see the very first galaxies forming. But making that vision a reality came with some massive challenges. First, they needed a mirror large enough to capture faint light from billions of years ago, but light enough to launch into space. Then there was the issue of keeping the telescope cool enough to detect infrared light. Any heat from the telescope itself could ruin the data. That's where the tennis court-sized sunshield came in, designed to block heat from the sun. And if that wasn't tricky enough, the telescope had to fold up to fit inside the rocket and then unfold perfectly in space, 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. Imagine setting up a delicate piece of machinery that far away, with no way to fix it if something went wrong. No pressure, right? Finally, after decades of problem-solving, redesigns, and a fair share of delays, JWST launched on December 25, 2021. It was a make-or-break moment, years of work and billions of dollars riding on a single rocket. But it worked. The telescope unfolded flawlessly and made its way to its new home at the second Lagrange point, a special spot far from Earth's heat and light. And now it's sitting out there revolutionizing how we see the universe. But how does it all work? That's the most exciting part, which we will dive in shortly. Hey, if you're loving this story so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. There's so much more to discover and you won't want to miss it. Now back to JWST. Alright, so we know the James Webb Space Telescope is out there, 1.5 million kilometers away, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. But how exactly does it work? What makes it so revolutionary? Let's break it down. At its core, JWST is made up of 4 key components. First, there's the golden primary mirror, its most iconic feature. Then there's the tennis court-sized sunshield that keeps it cool. Next, we have the science instruments like cameras and spectrographs that capture and analyze data. And finally, there's the spacecraft bus, which provides power, communications, and stability for the entire telescope. Now, let's dive into the star of the show, the iconic golden mirror. JWST's mirror is 6.5 meters wide, more than double the size of Hubble's, and it's made up of 18 hexagonal segments coated with gold. Why gold? Because gold reflects infrared light really well, and that's the key. Unlike Hubble, which looks at visible light, JWST is built to see in infrared. This allows it to peer through cosmic dust clouds and spot objects so faint and distant that their light has been traveling billions of years to reach us. To detect such faint signals, JWST has to stay super cold, like minus 233 degrees Celsius cold. That's where the sunshield comes in. Imagine a 5-layer tennis court-sized sunscreen, blocking heat from the sun, Earth, and even the telescope itself. Without this, the sensitive instruments would be overwhelmed by heat, making it impossible to do their job. Speaking of instruments, JWST has some amazing tools on board. There's NIRCam, which captures detailed images in near-infrared light, and MIRI, which can see even deeper into the infrared spectrum, revealing cooler objects like distant planets. Then there's NIRSpec, which can analyze the chemical makeup of exoplanet atmospheres, basically sniffing out what's in their air. And finally, there's FGS NIRIS, which helps with precise positioning and also contributes to studying planets and galaxies. And where is all this magic happening? At the second Lagrange point, or L2. It's a sweet spot in space where the telescope can orbit the Sun while staying perfectly aligned with Earth. It's far enough to avoid interference from our planet's heat and light, but close enough to maintain communication with mission control. What's incredible is that all these systems work together like a symphony, capturing light that's traveled billions of years, analyzing it, and sending the data back to Earth. And this isn't just about pretty pictures, it's about unlocking the secrets of the universe itself. So now that we know how JWST works, the next question is, what has it discovered so far? Trust me, the discoveries are nothing short of jaw-dropping. Let's dive into that next. Now that we know how the James Webb Space Telescope works, let's talk about what it's found so far. And trust me, these discoveries will make you look at the night sky a little differently. First up, the oldest galaxies ever observed. Within weeks of becoming operational, JWST captured light from galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Let that sink in for a moment. This telescope is essentially looking at the universe's baby pictures. These observations are helping scientists understand how galaxies first came together, shedding light on a time we've never been able to study before. Then there's the incredible detail it's given us of star formation. Take the Carina Nebula, for example. JWST delivered images so sharp you can see stars being born inside clouds of cosmic dust, places Hubble could never see through. It's like peeking behind a curtain into the universe's backstage. And it's not just about stars and galaxies. JWST is also looking at planets far beyond our solar system. One of its biggest breakthroughs so far? Detecting the chemical makeup of exoplanet atmospheres. That's right, this telescope can tell us what's in the air of a planet hundreds of light years away. It's already identified water, carbon dioxide, and even hints of methane on some of these distant worlds. Now let's talk about something a little closer to home: black holes. JWST has captured stunning images of galaxies with supermassive black holes at their center, revealing how these giants shaped the galaxies around them. And if that's not enough, it's even helping scientists understand dark matter and dark energy, two of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. Every discovery JWST makes isn't just a scientific win, it's a reminder of how much we still don't know. It's like unlocking a door to a room full of other locked doors, each leading to more questions and possibilities. And the best part, this is just the beginning. JWST is designed to operate for at least 10 years, and with every passing day, it's showing us a universe more beautiful and complex than we ever imagined. If you're blown away by what JWST has uncovered so far, imagine what it will discover next. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep exploring these cosmic wonders together. Now let's move on to why JWST is so important for humanity. So far, we've seen how the James Webb Space Telescope works and some of its jaw-dropping discoveries. But let's take a step back and ask, why does all of this matter? Why is JWST so important, not just for scientists, but for humanity as a whole? First, it's revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. Think about it. JWST is answering questions we didn't even know we had. How did the first galaxies form? What's in the atmosphere of distant planets? Could there be life out there? These aren't just big questions for science, they're questions that redefine how we see ourselves in the grand scheme of things. Second, JWST is pushing the limits of technology and engineering. The breakthroughs made while building it, like those gold-coated mirrors or the ultra-precise instruments, don't just stay in space. They trickle down to everyday technology. Innovations like these often lead to better tools in medicine, computing, and even environmental research. But perhaps the most important reason is the inspiration it provides. When you see the universe through JWST's eyes, it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder. It reminds us of what humanity can achieve when we work together, driven by curiosity and the desire to explore. In a world often divided, projects like JWST are a testament to our shared potential. And here's the thing, JWST isn't just about looking up at the stars. It's about looking back at ourselves, at what we've accomplished and what we're capable of achieving in the future. It shows us that exploration isn't just about finding answers. It's about dreaming bigger, reaching further, and constantly asking, what's next? So, as JWST continues its mission, it's not just rewriting the story of the cosmos. It's writing a new chapter in humanity's story. A chapter where we dare to reach for the stars and uncover the secrets of existence itself. Isn't it inspiring? If so, then hold on for one last chapter we will discuss in this video. What's next for JWST and its space exploration? Let's find out. As we wrap up this incredible journey through the James Webb Space Telescope story, one question lingers. What's next? What can we expect from JWST in the years to come? The truth is, JWST is just getting started. Over its expected 10-year mission, and hopefully beyond, it will continue to push the boundaries of what we know. Scientists are already planning to use it to study the atmospheres of Earth-like planets, searching for signs of life. Imagine that, a telescope helping us answer one of the greatest questions humanity has ever asked. Are we alone in the universe? JWST will also dive deeper into the most exciting element of space. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, the invisible forces that make up most of the universe. These aren't just abstract ideas, they're the keys to understanding how the cosmos works and perhaps even how it all began. They are the core of this universe, but we still know nothing about them. I am personally looking forward to JWST's mission to unwrap dark matter and dark energy. But here's the most exciting part, the unknown. JWST is so advanced that it's likely to discover things we can't even predict. Just like Hubble surprised us with insights into the expansion of the universe, JWST is set to reveal secrets we didn't even know to look for. It's like standing on the edge of a vast, unexplored ocean and realizing we've only just started to dip our toes in. Now, let's bring it all back home. Why does all of this matter to us sitting here on Earth? Because the James Webb Space Telescope is more than a tool for science. It's a symbol of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. It's proof that even in the face of immense challenges, humanity has the ingenuity, the curiosity, and the determination to do the impossible. Think about it. Every image JWST sends back is a message from the universe, a reminder that we're part of something so much bigger than ourselves. It's a call to keep exploring, to keep questioning, and to never stop reaching for the stars. So whether you're a scientist, a space enthusiast, or just someone who looks up at the night sky and wonders what's out there, JWST is a telescope for all of us. It's a testament to what we've achieved, and it's a beacon of hope for what's still to come. And with that, we conclude this incredible chapter about the James Webb Space Telescope. But don't worry, the universe has countless more stories waiting to be told. So stay curious, keep exploring, and together let's discover what lies beyond. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with others who love exploring the wonders of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is always waiting to inspire us.